Let's be real. The Bible is either the most important book ever written, the most misunderstood book ever written, or the book you swore you'd read one day but never actually did. It survived empires, wars, censorship, translations, memes, debates, and 2,000 other plus years of hot takes. But what actually is it? Is it history, myth, law, poetry, prophecy? A spiritual self-help manual? Ancient Twitter threads? Today, we're breaking down the Bible in modern language. No seminary degree required. Let's get into it. First plot twist. The Bible is not one book. It's a library. 66 books, written over about 1,500 years by 40-plus authors on 3 continents, in 3 languages. That's not a book. That's an ancient cinematic universe. It includes law codes, war history, poetry, love songs, political drama, prophecies, letters, biographies. Imagine combining a history textbook, a philosophy podcast, a war documentary, a poetry slam, and a spiritual guidebook. That's the Bible. The Old Testament is basically humanity's origin arc. It starts with, in the beginning. Boom. Creation, light, planets, oceans, humans. Then immediately, drama. Adam and Eve choose independence over obedience. Trust breaks. Chaos enters. And from there, it's humanity trying to figure out how not to self-destruct. You get Noah and the flood, Abraham leaving everything to follow a promise, Moses confronting Egypt like an ancient freedom movement, the 10 Commandments, arguably the original moral code drop. Then comes Israel's national storyline, kings, wars, civil collapse, exile, prophets calling people out like spiritual whistleblowers. The prophets were basically saying, you're chasing power, money, idols, and ego, and it's wrecking you. Sound familiar? Yeah. Ancient problems. Modern vibes. The Book of Psalms? That's raw emotion. It's I'm grateful, I'm depressed, I'm angry. Where are you? I messed up. Help. If you think faith means pretending everything is fine, Psalms disagrees. It's brutally honest. Ancient people saying, life is hard, I'm confused, I still believe. That's relatable. Then the New Testament drops, and everything shifts. 4 biographies, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, tell the story of Jesus. He doesn't show up as a political conqueror. He shows up teaching, healing, challenging religious hypocrisy, flipping power structures upside down. He says things like, love your enemies, blessed are the poor, the first will be last. That wasn't normal thinking. He wasn't building an empire, he was building a movement, and it spreads fast. But here's the tension. He challenges both political power and religious authority. That never ends quietly. He's executed. And according to the Christian claim, he rises. That moment becomes the foundation of Christianity. Everything hinges there. After Jesus, his followers don't gain power. They face persecution, imprisonment, execution, social rejection. Yet the movement spreads. Why? Because the message wasn't dominate. It was serve. Letters written by Paul and others talk about forgiveness, unity, character, hope, living differently in a chaotic world. And that message moved through the Roman Empire like wildfire. Whether someone believes it literally, symbolically, or historically, The Bible shaped Western law, human rights language, education systems, art, music, government concepts. Even people who don't believe it are influenced by it. And the core themes? Power corrupts, pride destroys, forgiveness restores, sacrifice transforms, hope survives. That's not ancient, that's current. So what is the Bible? It's not just a religious book. It's a story about broken humans, a search for meaning, and the idea that redemption is possible. Agree with it or not, ignore it or study it. It's one of the most influential collections of writings in human history. And maybe the reason it keeps surviving is because it keeps speaking into the same problems we still haven't solved. If you want more breakdowns like this, history, mystery, faith, facts, subscribe.